Hey there, it's Jen, and I'm excited to share with you the Felicity Jane September kit, which is called Lola. Now, before I show you what's in the kit, I wanted to tell you a little bit about Lola. Gina let me know this, and there's a little bit more info on the Felicity Jane website as well. Lola, this kit was named after her grandma, Lola, and she was a family history buff, a service giver, and a portion of the proceeds from the Lola products sold are going to an organization called Care for Life that she sewed clothes for the last 10 years of her life, which is super cool. So be sure to check that out. Read a little bit more about it over on the Felicity Jane website. Of course, I'll leave a link in the video description. So, first of all, how cute is Lola? She's wearing overalls. She got her hair up. It's really, really cute. This is the little card that you get inside of the kit. And it just says thanks for your order, but you can use it, and you could cut this girl out too if you wanted to. Okay, so let's take a look at the papers first. Let me move this stuff off to the side. Now, I have two paper packs here, so I can show you front and back at the same time, but the kit comes with one paper pack, so just keep that in mind. I'm going to set these off to the side so I can spread them out for you as we look at them. Maybe. If I have somewhere to put them. My desk, besides right here, is a mess. Alright, here we go. First paper is called Floral and Stripe, and here is the gorgeous floral for Lola. I'm loving this periwinkle color in here paired with these kind of mints and pinks. Really pretty, and this would be really easy to fussy cut because of the way the flowers are spaced. So, love that as per usual. The back of that is the stripe paper, and it has a little sprinkle confetti on the bottom. Let's make sure you can see those. Next, this brings me back to my childhood. I don't know about you, but this is just the funnest paper. It reminds me of like Rainbow Bright or something. I don't know, but I love it. And it's called Rainbow and Grid. This would be fun for a background. It kind of helps you to, when you have a paper like this, to know where to place things, because this seems like an obvious home for maybe your photo and your title or something, and you could even journal on these lines. I don't know, I got ideas, people. Okay, and then the back of that is just a simple black and white grid. So classically, Felicity Jane has a color printed side and a black and white side, so there's always something versatile to use. This is a little, this looks like the stitch scallop. If you can see that, it's really cute. It's called Stitches and Dots. And the back is dots. This little branding strip has little X's on it. I like the green too. It's cute. Sorry, my tripod is right here and I can't push these papers further back. Okay, this one would be perfect for a background. It's called Scallop and Dash. And look at the little detail on the scallop. There's like a little stitch line above it. It's really pretty. And the dash is super cute too. Look at that. It's like stripes of dashes. And then the bottom is a row of hearts. Okay. Then we have dots and flowers. So we've got a nice green polka dot. Again, loving the green. And this flower print is super cute. It would be fun to color in, or it's just great in layering. Simple, but like it makes a statement as well. Then we've got this gingham. So this is called Gingham and Hearts, and this is that kind of periwinkle blue color. And then the back is a little heart with a stripe on the bottom. Then we have two solids. So we've got the pink, and all of her solid papers, instead of a regular branding strip, have the scallop at the bottom. So you could cut a ½ inch off of this side and keep the scallop on your paper, or you can cut the scallop off and use it as a border strip. Pretty cool. So the back side of that one has this peachy color, and then we've got a light blue, and then the back of that is the green. Okay, so these are the papers. Lovely. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the embellishments. So first of all, we have these chipboard alphabets. They are white with little black polka dots. Very sweet. And there are, you can see some punctuation and ampersands, and there's a set of numbers, 2 of each. So that's nice. Let's see, where's that gonna glare the least? Right there-ish. Okay, Then we have this really fun fringe trim, and this is really cute. It's just, I'm not going to take it apart, but you can see it's like, it's crepe paper that's stitched, and it's fringe. Really, really cute. I can't wait to play with that. We'll put that on top of the glary area. Okay, actually let's look at the journaling cards next. So each kit comes with a set of 3x4 journaling cards. So if you're a pocket scrapbooker, these are great. If you're not, add them to your pages. I love doing that. Okay, so look at this. This is so cute. It's color swatches, but they all have a little hashtag with a word. So loved, funny, me, blessed, kind, unique, positive, happy, and creative. I love that. I'm just gonna set these out. Okay, we've got a yellow dot, a blue and white stripe, the floral that's just the pink and green, a heart. Oh, I should mention, the backs of all these cards have either a grid or a dot grid. So they're very versatile to use as well. Okay, then we've got a little striped number, an ampersand, an oval frame. This one's just a cute little book cover almost. You could stamp something in there. This is a little scallop, and I don't know if you can see it, but it has that little stitching detail like the paper did. Really cute. We've got a gingham, and then a blue and white stripe with a little place to put something in there, like the date or whatever you want. Okay, now let's take a look at the chipboard pieces. So these are the chipboard shapes. Now they're not adhesive backed, and they just pop out of this little chipboard thing. So if you want to pop them out, you can. You can leave them in the packaging, whatever you feel like. But they've got some fun little icons here. So we've got some kind of pennant pieces, a little banner frame, that's not a frame, a banner, a bow, a flower, some hearts, and some cute words. And these are words that describe Lola. Alright, oh, we get 2 alphabets in this set. I forgot about these. These are the cutest thing of my entire life. These are the Essentials Mini Puffy Alphabet, which means they will be sticking around for a while. Essentials are the things that are in the shop that are essential, mostly black and white things that you can use for anything. And these are just the cutest thing. They are tile alphabets, but they are puffy and adorable. And look how many there are. There's so many, and there's little hearts too. So there's upper and lower case. Just perfect. I love these. Okay. Next we have, let's take a look at the die cuts. So I will pull these out and show them to you. Let's look at the ones in my hand first. Okay. Okay, so we have a heart, happy times. These are a nice, like, really sturdy cardstock. Some labels. I love this label with the, like, the tag. So cute. Hearts. There's a little black and white flower. Oops. Alright, so here's Lola. She's super, super cute. Kind of talked about her earlier. Got a little circle, the word beautiful. Let's see, we've got another one of those cute tags. This does have a hole at the top. Some labels. I love labels like this one. They're so cute, and they're really great to add to cards along the join if there's a line on them. I love doing that. Okay, there we go. There's some more flowers. Let's see. There's a bunch of little circles. Look at the little circle tab. That'd be cute to put a circle on top of the circle tab. There's just enough room that you show the tiniest little bit of an outline if you wanted to try something like that. Oh, look at the stack of books. It's so cute. I love it. Oh, there's a tape. I love this even more. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love it. There's some more of those little circle tabs. Got a little border here, another tag, another flower. I like that there is a mixture of the black and white flowers and the colorful ones. Here's another border in that stitched scallop. This is me. an adorable typewriter. Be kind. And then 2 little frames. So those are the die cuts. Super, super cute. Now, this is super fun too. This is little heart confetti. It's almost like a sequin. It's like that plasticky feel, but they don't have holes in them. So let me just show you that. So there's black, white, and gold hearts in a few sizes. I love stuff like this. This is really cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, I'll just stick that back in there. I'm sure it will get everywhere for me. So let's just not even try to fight it. Okay, and then we have the stamps, and the stamps are always one of my favorite things. So we've got today's story, words I love, conversation, top 3, which I like, and then there's also this little arrow and this little dot, so you could make like a bulleted list, which is fun. Remember this, liking, words of wisdom, and then a whole bunch of banners, so you can stamp the inside of the banner and then stamp a frame. You could also stamp this solid and then stamp this on in like a light color and then stamp one of these on top and then stamp a frame around it. So lots of fun with those. Loving, lesson learned, currently, newsworthy, listening to, which that would be fun with the little cassette tape, right? How cute would that be? I love it. Today I, mood, and highlights. So I love this stamp set. Super, super fun. And then, so this is the kit, but I wanted to show you a few of the things that are in the shop that you could add on if you're interested in. They have traveler's notebooks for the Lola kit. So there's a floral and there's a gingham. There might be one more, but these are the 2 that I've got. And then this is from a few months back, I think, but it has just the chapter number in gold foil. And I think if you are one of those people who do traveler's notebooks and you maybe do 1 a month for a whole year, it would be so fun to do chapters number 1 through 12 of a traveler's notebook, like, and have all the same one. So I like those. Also, there is a new little 6x6 paper pad. When I looked this morning, I didn't see it in the shop yet, but it should be coming very soon. And it has some of the Lola patterns in a smaller size. You can see that it's smaller. So there's the gingham. In the back of the gingham is the tiny heart. There's the floral, and then the scallop, which I love. And I'm just showing you the fronts and backs. You get 2 of each. There's the dot and then the cute rainbow. And then there's this polka dot with the stitched scallop. So that is the Lola kit. I hope you'll check it out. Again, I'll leave links in the video description. And be sure to go over and read more about Lola. I think it's a fun story. And don't forget that some of these proceeds go to that charity. So thanks so much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed. Leave a message below if you have any questions. And we'll see you again soon.